I'm gonna show you guys how to do eyelash extensions. I feel like a lot of people don't know that this is literally one of the easiest things that you can do. Like, there's no reason that you should be paying to get your eyelashes done. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do them in literally 10 minutes. What you're gonna need no matter what is this glue. It's in the Kiss eyelash extensions kit. I will link this for you guys, but you have to get this glue. Like, I literally only bought this for this glue and these things. I don't need any of this stuff. These are by Ardell. They're the seamless underlash extensions. I will link these for you guys as well. First, just brush through your lashes. On these packages, there's gonna be numbers on the side. That's the length. It's 16, 14, 12, and 10. We're gonna start with the 16. Take your glue and put some on a tray. Make sure you don't get this glue on anything because it will not come out. Just taking these regular old tweezers and taking a 16. So unlike normal lashes, you're not gonna put the glue on the bottom of the lash, you're gonna put it on the top. Okay, and it's gonna look like that. You're just gonna take the lash and just put it on your lash line, just like that. It's so simple. Taking another 16, and I'm putting that lash right next to the first one. I like to overlap them just a little bit. Guys, I am so sorry about this construction. That is so ugly. Anyway, I'm taking a 14 and I'm putting that right next to the last one. Okay, I know this sounds weird, but I'm taking a 16 and I'm gonna put that in the middle. Now we're gonna take a 14. Okay, and then this last one is a 10. Now we're taking these tweezers. They came in that kit with the glue. You're gonna squeeze your real lashes in with the fake ones. I know this looks weird, but it's so necessary. Now I'm just brushing my real lashes in with the falsies. I feel like these look so pretty and so natural. And if you like a more dramatic look, just get a different style. I like a more wispy, natural look. There's really no reason to get your eyelashes done, in my opinion, because you can do them at home for literally $20 and they look just as good, if not better. They look really good, really natural. This glue is really good. It's not gonna come off. As long as you like take care of it and don't sleep on your face, these can last. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I will see you in my next one.